How to link Facebook to Gmail. First, open Facebook. Tap on the three lines in order to access the menu. Tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option Settings. Now access the settings. Tap on this option Account Center. You can see the Account Center. Tap on this option Profiles and Personal Details. Now you can see all of your profiles over here. Scroll down. Find the section for Contact Info. Tap on it. You can see all the contact informations added over here. Tap on this option Add Email. Enter the email that you want to add. Tap on the field Enter Email. Enter your email address. Choose the accounts for this email. Check on the accounts to use. Tap on this option Next that you can see on the screen. You'll be asked to enter your password for security reasons. Enter it. You might also be asked to enter the verification code sent to the email. Enter it. After that, the email address will be added like this. So like this, you'll be able to link Facebook to Gmail. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.